Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to How To. Or if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our content. Today, we're delving into a topic that can significantly improve your quality of life: how to stop worrying and start living. If you're ready to learn strategies to overcome anxiety and embrace a more peaceful mindset, let's get started. Understand the nature of worry. To stop worrying, it's essential to understand what worry is. Identify the source. Recognize the root cause of your worries. What's causing you stress? Realize its unproductive nature. Worrying often doesn't solve problems. It only amplifies anxiety. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness can help you stay present and reduce worry. Mindful breathing. Practice deep breathing exercises to calm your mind. Stay in the present. Focus on the here and now instead of dwelling on the past or fearing the future. Develop healthy habits. Healthy habits play a vital role in managing worry. Exercise. Regular physical activity can reduce stress and boost your mood. Nutrition. Eat a balanced diet to fuel your body and mind. Sleep. Prioritize quality sleep for improved emotional well-being. Problem solving and planning. Effective problem solving can alleviate worries, identify solutions, break down problems into manageable steps, and brainstorm solutions. Create a plan. Develop a plan of action and take one step at a time. Seek support. Don't be afraid to seek support when needed. Talk to someone. Share your worries with a trusted friend, family member, or therapist. Support groups. Consider joining a support group where you can connect with others facing similar challenges. Remember, worrying is a natural human response, but it doesn't have to control your life. By understanding the nature of worry, practicing mindfulness, developing healthy habits, engaging in problem solving, and seeking support when needed, you can take proactive steps to reduce worry and start living a more fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your own experiences or additional tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care, and may your days be filled with peace and joy. Thank you for joining us today on How To. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.